Well, guys, if you are doing any kind of sale outbound and you want to send a massive DMs and outreach every single day, but you don't have the budget to send a massive emails or set up a huge campaigns using these outbound B2B emails providers to set up, well, in today's video, we are going to use another one, which is Grok Bot. We are going to use this little cute guy. So we are going to set up a new Grok Bot. We are going to download this in our Mac OS. I'm going to set up it and I'm going to tell it, hey, go and send me 100 email a day. Use my use my Instagram, use my Facebook, use my LinkedIn account, and also use my TikTok account. I'm going to log in into all of this and I'm going to give it a skill. I already have this skill in Claude. So I'm just going to give Claude, hey, I want to set up a Grok Bot that sign up to all my emails or all my social media account and send 100 emails a day. You know, the browser automation in Claude Code is terrible. The browser automation in Codex is a little bit good, but all of them is pretty, like, I don't know, it's like very damn slow. So, and I found that the browser automation or the AI, the best AI could use a browser is these little guys, Grok Bot. They are best at using browser automation or using a browser. So I'm just going to log in. I'm going to give them my cold outreach copy. I have already written my copy and offer here. I'm just give it the copy, create the skill, and let it go. In 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's going to send 100 email a day. Instead of me setting up a massive email campaigns on instantly, losing money and all of them open their emails and none of them reply. So I'm just going to test this and see how it's going to go. So first of all, I'm going to sign in. This is Grok Bot. So I'm going to activate a free trial. As you can see, you can get a pro plan with $60 and then you could have like a free plan. I'm going to just use the free activation to see how this skill is going to go. So I'm going to give it my card detail here. So it's setting up. This is the brand new account. I don't have any bot right now. So I'm just going to go next, setting up, then I'm going to go next. This is where I could connect all the tools I'm interested in using. So I could connect my Google Workspace. If you have emails on your Google Workspace, you could connect it. And also if you want to do outreach through LinkedIn, so I'm going to connect my LinkedIn right now. And then what other account I can connect, like Apollo if you want to scrape lead, but we don't have money to scrape lead, so we just spin a browser automation. So I'm just going to connect my LinkedIn first of all, and then let's see how this goes. So as you can see, first of all, you need to create a bot. So I'm going to create an outreach, name it outreach bot, and then it's creating the bot right now. I'm just going to edit this bot. I'll go to editing, and then I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and I will go to Claude, and I say something like this. Hey, I'm planning to use Grok Bot, the browsing Grok Bot. As you can see, I created a new bot. I need to give it a description, a title and description. Use my browser automation social media outreach DM. Exactly, I want to go to my social media account and I'm giving it the copy. It's only going to use that copy and it's only going to send to my ICP or to the e-commerce brand owners. So I don't want it to be sent to info emails or role emails like info, sales, support. I want to be sent to personal emails. So I'm going to give you the copy and look at the personalization as well. The personalization section might vary from someone to another one. So this could be sent to via Gmail, Facebook, TikTok, IG, and LinkedIn. So as you can see, I'm going to give you the subject line. The personalization, as I said, is going to be varied. Who I am will be the same. The offer will be the same. And the call to action will be the same. All this thing going to change is the subject line and personalization. The subject line, if it's in the email, is going to be the same. If it's in LinkedIn, you only send a note with the offer and who I am and the call to action. On TikTok as well, send the same. Write down these description and titles with this offer as well. So our AI bot should know what I am doing. So I was just speaking and this AI voice detection is detecting what I'm saying. This is a free tool called Handy. It's an open source. You download it into your machine and you will see all your conversation here. This is the history. What I'm saying, you could also pick up the model, whisper. So the best model is accuracy and speed. And this is the general setting. I will just press this button and I start speaking freely. So how cool is that? Just imagine if I would like to type all of this. It would have taken me, I don't know, like 60 seconds. Not 60 seconds, like, I don't know, like 5 minutes to type this. Anyway, so let's see how our AI agents come back with the title and description. So now we are going to connect all our tools we need. First of all, we are going to connect Gmail, and then what other outreach email or outreach account or social media account we could connect. Let's look at LinkedIn. There's no LinkedIn. There's no social media here. Anyway, there's no plugin for social media, so it's just going to spin up the browser automation. It will give me the browser, and I'm going to log in into my social media account, and then after that, it's going to use the browser. So just a minute after we give it the description and everything, and then I'm going to update that. So this is my Claude code come back. So let's see. This is the title: browser outreach agent DM and emails ecom OS offer to US e-commerce brand. No, not to US, but to UK. So this is the title and this is the description. Let's just read the description. If there's anything I don't want it to go to my AI agent. So you are my browser automation outreach agent. You spend outreach for e-commerce, blah, 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 blah. That's good. And then ICP is wrong. There's US. I think we need UK. Under 100k a month. Email personal inbox only. Okay, that's good. DMs message the owner personal account when it exists. Otherwise, brand account. Okay. Never contact the same person or brand twice. Okay. These rules are good. So on the copy, you take a personalization template. We write the person. Hey, first name. I've been following your store name. Love with your direction. Sharp and inspiring. Okay. I work with blah blah blah. And then the offer. And then okay. So I'm going to copy this description. And I'm going to paste it here. I already have this skill with Claude, so that's why it write it down cleanly like that. The only thing I'm going to change is this ICP. My ICP is not in the UK, not in the US. So yeah, I think we're done right now. So I'm just going to say, hey, I want to spin up a bunch of browser. So one of them, use my Gmail. So the Gmail, you don't need to use the browser, but for my social media account, Facebook, TikTok, and IG, and LinkedIn, we need to log in into a browser and then send 100 DM for today. Or 100 outreach for today. So I'm just going to give it a video about how I am doing it. So usually how I do this is I go to meta ad library. This is meta ad library. And then I will search for an ad. So for brand that's running ads, so all brand. And then I'm going to search for keywords. Like for example, maybe let's say gut health. I'm looking for a brand selling gut health product in the United Kingdom. So I'm going to apply some filters here. So only show me Shopify stores. And then filter is going to be from 2025. And then the language is only English, and all platforms, all advertisers, all media type. So I'm going to apply this filter, and I'm going to see all the brand running ads on Meta. And then I'm going to go to their store. For example, this brand, I'm going to go to their shop, and then let me just record this. So record this and then upload it. So my screen starts recording, and I go again to meta ad. So from the beginning, so my AI agent should know what I'm doing. You could skip this, go to meta ad, and then all ads, and then search by keyword, get help, and then the internet in the UK is, I don't know, it's rubbish. And then filters by languages, date 2025 till now. And then after that, I'm going to go to scroll ads, go to their store, and then in their store, I'm going to use this trend track extension here. As you can see, I see how many active ads do they have, how many monthly visitors do they have, and then I will see they have Facebook and they have Instagram as well. I could go to their Instagram, and then from here I could send them a message. For example, like this one, I'm going to send them a message. I could just copy my copy from here. I just copy this part and then go to their Instagram and then send them the DM. So this is the business Instagram. But what I'm looking for is looking for the personal account. If I didn't get the personal account, that's all I have to do. That's the only thing I have to do. And so I'm going to go to the main product page, or to the main.com. So this is the main store, and then where is the contact us? They don't have any personal email. The only email I have here is support. So I'm going to go to the privacy and policy. Sometimes they will leave the personal email here. No, there's no personal email here. So I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to go to LinkedIn, and then going to write down CEO, founder. I'm going to search this one, and it might pop up here. So it gave me the founder of this brand, James Kofi. So I can go to his profile, and I could get his personal details. What's happening there? So this is his profile. I got his profile very easily. So this is his profile. Now I could contact him from here. I could see all his contact information. He didn't have an email in his LinkedIn as well. But from LinkedIn, we could send a message. You know that, right? But I abuse all my in-email credit, so I'm just going to send a note. So I'm going to add a note here with connect. I'm going to copy my offer because connect doesn't allow me to have all these lengths of copy. So I'm just going to copy my offer. As you can see, I'm off by I don't know how many words. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm still above my words. So I'm going to go to AI to speed up. So go to Gemini, copy all of this. I know we got off the track, but yeah, this is how I'm doing it. So I'm going to record this screen. I'm going to tell my AI, hey, this is what I'm doing. I want you to do it quickly. Hey, this is what I'm, the email I sent as an outreach, but I want to send a note on LinkedIn with less than 300 characters. Can you make keep the offer the same? Oh, the exact formula. We have the personalization first, the hi, love what you're building, then who I am, I work with X, Y, and Z, and then I notice you are leaving money at the table, and then the offer, and then the call to action in less than 300 characters max. So let's see how AI will come back with this. Okay, this look good. I'm going to copy this, go to LinkedIn. Oh my goodness, where's that? Yeah, here we are. LinkedIn. I'm going to delete this brand. What is his brand name? Called matchafuel.com. Matcha Fuel, and then we have 300 character right now. Oh, less than 300 actually. 200. Okay, let me read it properly to see. I helps up ecom brand with skills. You are leaving cash on the table, so I will give you my e-commerce free generated. Okay, that's good. So this is what I'm doing every single day with LinkedIn. I go to their Meta ad account, go to their store, go to their email, send them IGDM. As you can see, this is auto responding. I don't like this. I want to send to a human responsible of this brand. So I went to Google and I typed down this LinkedIn and then the brand name and CEO or founder, and then I got it. So I'm going to upload this video to my AI agent right now and say, hey, the video I've uploaded is how I do my outreach. Can you read that and turn that into skill so you use it every time? So I want to send 100 outreach a day. Use either LinkedIn Direct Connect or other social media accounts as well. So that is how our AI agent. So let's see, it's actually the video is, if the video is uploaded or not. That the screen recording. Couldn't attach the screen recording. I couldn't attach. How can I attach this? Okay, I'm going to upload this. I'll give this access to Claude. So I'm going to go to my screen, my desktop app. I'm going to take the name of this. Hey, this is screen recording is how I do my outreach normally. Can you turn this into skill and tell my AI agent? So update your skill here and also give me the description updated, the description field updated for my bot. For my bot. What the fuck? This detection is sometimes very bad. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to allow it. So I'm going to tell it as well. So this video is in my desktop app. I want you to turn this into a skill. This is how I do my outreach and DM every single day. So I send that message again. So let them both cooking. So I might hit or run out of session with Grok Bot, but who knows? So Grok can't go and read the video I have recorded. So I've tried many times, but it gives me this error. I can't go to your computer and read the video. So I gave the video to Claude. So Claude actually create the skill and rewritten the description how to do it. So I'm just going to copy this description again and paste it into my Grok Bot description here instead of the earlier one. The video I've recorded is here. I have cut it from the same video. I was just editing this video. So this video, I cut it at the middle here somewhere when I'm doing that. And I saved it here in my document. So I saved it manual method of me doing outreach to find e-commerce brand. So I'm going to tell it right now. Okay, don't worry about the video. So just read your description and then go and spin a browser automation. Let me log in into my social media account and use my Gmails to log in. So we could spin up a browser automation right now. You could send 100 for today. So let's see how this will turn out. So tell me it's going to skip the browser automation. I'm going to log in into my Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. So I never see your password. So I'm just going to go to login or plugins, I'm going to authenticate my Gmail right now. So it is open the browser. To authenticate my Gmail, I'm going to choose a Gmail that I didn't send much today. I sent like 5 or 10 for this Gmail, so I'm going to choose another Gmail. Maybe this one, yeah, I'm going to go with that one. So I'm going to authenticate this Gmail and let it go. Hey, for the Gmail, you don't need a browser automation. I already logged in, so I'm going to interrupt it there. So I'm not 100% sure if this free trial will send 100. So last time with my last trial activation, I just created like 3 thumbnails and then it's done. I hope this will go alright today. So as you can see, open a bunch of tabs inside this browser. I'm going to take over from him and I'm going to log out. So I just took over him. It's connecting. I said internet in the UK is very bad. So first of all, let's log in into Facebook. So here's our agent. So I sign in into my LinkedIn account, but Meta blocked me, doesn't allow me. I say I'm not a robot. It doesn't allow me to sign in. And in my TikTok, I don't know, it say my password is wrong. So I already logged in into my LinkedIn, but LinkedIn is the best way to find founders we are looking for. So I'm going to leave it with LinkedIn and 2 Gmails and say I'm done, continue. So hey, I've tried to log in into Meta and TikTok, but I couldn't. So I only logged in into my LinkedIn and also into 1 Gmail account. So use 2 Gmails, one already you authenticate with, and the LinkedIn account and the Gmail I signed in the browser. Use these 3 platforms. Send, I don't know, like as many as you could. So LinkedIn only sent a little note in about 300 characters. I'm going to give you the copy here to just personalize it. So the agent is working. I should be quick so it shouldn't confuse. So this is a note for LinkedIn that our AI agent gave us in the beginning of this video. So I'm going to give it here and I'm going to click enter. So auto review post this action. So I'm going to always allow. So I'm just going to walk away and hey, when you come back, when you finish, just notify me so I know you are finished, right? Like 100 or as many as you could. Even if you run out of credit, just notify me afterward. So I'm just going to walk away right now and then I will come back to see what happened. Oh my fucking goodness, look at this. I knew it. I knew it's going to happen. So we run out of credit. It only sent 2 emails and 0 LinkedIn note. So first of all, it is scraped like 61 Shopify, but most of them with info, support, hello, role emails. We want real people emails like this one. So it went and do the same as I do, but I don't think we need to upgrade to a pro plan to do this. So first of all, created this list of emails. As you can see, the stores, and then we have emails. The emails is all role emails. That's why we run out of credit. Anyway, I think it's pretty good. If I could upgrade to plus, but I think it is very expensive. Oh, 45. It's not that expensive, but I don't want to upgrade. Anyway, if you want to do any AI automation for your outbound and outreach, come to my website here, Mizan AI. This is my portfolio website. Chat with my AI agent. I will leave the link below, and she will book you a free call with me. This is my Mizan AI. And if you want to learn AI and implement this kind of AI system, come to my free school community here, AI Operator Lab. You will find all the resources inside these classrooms. Learn Claude code, e-commerce resources, lead generation and outreach system. The most important one, you will find them here as well. So I talk about how to write your emails, how to write your copies, the infrastructure, everything. So thank you for watching and peace.